A team of volcanologists recently published an interesting paper in the journal Nature Communications. The scientists from this team had been working near volcanoes on the remote Galapagos Islands in the Pacific Ocean. The researchers were startled by an explosive discovery. They found that trustworthy volcanoes harbor chemically diverse magmas in their underground plumbing systems. These underground magmas can sometimes lead to huge explosions. To find out more, click on the link in the description below. Make sure you don't eat, dance, sleep, or conduct corporate meetings right next to a deadly volcano.